Good morning students. Today we will discuss about PDV work or displacement work. PDV work or displacement work is nothing but it is a way to measure the work done by any system in thermodynamic process. So that is the meaning of PDV work or displacement work. Okay. In another words, we can also call it as we will measure work done by the system or work done on the system in thermodynamics is in the form of PDV work or in the form of displacement work. Now, let us derive an expression for PDV work in any thermodynamic process. To derive the expression for that, I will consider a arrangement here which is piston and cylinder arrangement. Okay. At initially, let us assume that piston is at the position 1. When piston is at position 1, the properties of the system is P1 and V1. Now, let us assume that piston moves from position 1 to position 2. Its thermodynamic properties will be changed from pressure P1 to P2 and pressure volume V1 to V2. Okay, as piston moves from position 1 to position 2, its thermodynamic properties will also be changed. Those thermodynamic properties are P1 and V1 at position 1 and P2 and V2 at position 2. Okay, now let us consider any intermediate point in between point 1 and 2. Okay, when piston moves from 1 to 2, between the position 1 to 2, there will be lot of intermediate position between 1 to 2. Now, let us consider any intermediate position between 1 and 2. Let that intermediate position be pressure P and volume V. Okay. Now, let us continue. When the piston moves an infinitesimal distance dl, infinitesimal distance dl means very small distance dl from position 1. So, that small or very small distance I will call it as dl, that is infinitesimal distance or very small distance dl. And if A is the area of the piston or cross-sectional area of the piston then the force acting on the piston is, when the area of cross-section is small a and also when the distance traveled by the piston is very small distance which is dl, then the force acting on the cross-section of piston is force equal to pressure into area. How did I write this is, we know the basic formula, pressure equal to force by area and hence force equal to pressure into area, and the infinitesimal amount of work done by the gas on the piston, which means that I told that piston has moved from position 1 through a distance dl, that is piston has traveled very small distance dl. In order to move the pistons through a very small distance dl, then what is the amount of work done by the gas on the piston? Very small work done by the gas on the piston is this much, that is dw is very small work which is force into displacement. We know the basic formula, work equal to force into displacement. Here I am measuring very small work which is done by a gas in order to move the piston through a distance dl, very small distance dl. That is why work dw equal to force into displacement, small displacement. And this equation I will rewrite it as dw equal to, instead of f force I can write it as pressure into area of cross section of the piston, put dl as it is. Now again I can rearrange this equation, work dw, very small work dw equal to p into a, okay, into dl. Area into distance we can call it as change in volume. Okay, now finally the equation, small work done by a gas in order to move the piston through a distance dl is pressure into change in volume. This is the equation we will get in order to change the volume dw. So this small work done by the piston in order to move the piston through a distance dl is represented by this intermediate area. Okay, now my intention was to calculate the work done by a system or work done by a gas on a piston through a process 1 to 2. Just now I have calculated or written the equation dw, which is work done by a gas in order to move the distance, a small distance dl, which is represented by small this distance. But what is the work done by a gas in order to move the piston from 1 to 2? This equation is for this area only, from this point to this point, small distance. To travel the small distance dl, this much work is required. But what is the work required from the gas on the piston to move the distance from 1 to 2? So to calculate the work done in the process 1 to 2, I need to integrate this equation. If you apply this integration sign to this equation, finally you will get the equation like this. The work done in order to move the piston from 1 to 2 is this much, okay, which is integration sign p into dv, applying the limits v1 and v2. So in order to calculate the work done in any thermodynamic process which is initially at volume v1 and finally at volume v2, so we will use this equation. This equation we will call it as pdv work equation, or also displacement work equation. So very important equation to be remembered for your exam.